We will talk about how to make money from home by working in these websites. So there are almost 16 freelance websites where we can easily make money, and for this we have to learn some soft skills, and it can be one skill also. Suppose you are a good article writer, you can easily make, or you can easily start making money from these websites. There are, I enlisted 16 websites, but I know there are lots of websites out there to make money from home. So now we will see how you can make money from these websites and how these websites work. So at first, as you can see in the screen, there is a Fiverr. So there are lots of skills out there in Fiverr, and if we go to websites, now we are watching at screen. Let's have a look at this: web design, WordPress, logo design, video editing. These 4 skills are highly valuable in Fiverr, but instead of this, there are lots of sectors you can work, like graphics design, digital marketing. In digital marketing, there are lots of sectors out there. In graphic design, there are also some sectors like minimalist, logo design, architecture, and there are writing and translation. If you are a good article writer or content writer, you can work on it. Video and animation, music, audio, programming and tech. If you are a WordPress expert or website designer, you can work here, like WordPress developer, Shopify developer, Wix developers, Android developers. Lots of website developers can easily work here. And if we click here, business, lifestyle, there are lots of skills we can see and start making money from here. So secondly, we can also have a look at Toptal. Toptal is good freelancing place. Hire the top 3% of freelance talents. So there are the developers, designers, finance experts, project managers, product managers, Toptal projects. So let's have a look at, if I click here in this first one, we can see Gabriel Cortimench, software developer in Montreal, Canada. He is working for 10 years. So secondly, I have not seen this website yet, Jooble. Let's have a look at. So this job is for the vacancies all over the USA. Freelancer, we all know that. And content, freelancer.com is all about content translation, web development, social media marketing. Pros: the benefits are progress tracker, live 24 chat, and cons: complex interface. Yes, we know that. Upwork, this is the best place. This is the best place, and lots of people are making handsome income. And Flexjobs. This is Flexjobs. Work from anywhere in US, work from anywhere in the world you can. So if we click here, we can see this is the way Flexjobs. This is another website, SimplyHired. This is Guru. So this is the sectors of Guru: programming and development, writing and translation, design and art, administration and secretarial, sales and marketing, engineering, architecture. If we see all the skills, yes, let's have a look at. In programming sectors, there are these skills are working. In writing and translation, these skills, you can go to this URL and see. So Guru is one of the best freelancing places from where we can make money. This is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional place. There is no way to apply jobs or like Fiverr gigs. So Behance is to add your portfolio. There is 99 designs. You can showcase your designs here. Growing with great design. Logo and branding design, website and app design, business advertising, art and illustration. Then Dribbble, people per hour. People power is a good one. Lots of people are making good money. You can work as a technology programming sector, writing and translation sector, design sector, digital marketing. Then ServiceScape, DesignHill, TaskRabbit. So these are the top 16 websites, and if we browse one by one, and we can easily start making money.